Wala. Unahan. Oh! At ito si McLary ang last touch doon. Bola ng Formula Shell.
Well, lahat ng malapit sa bola talagang dumive pero ang tempo mumama kay McLary bago lumabas.
Wala doon. Will he go all the way? Team McLaren! Tabla tayo. 75 all. Ang pigpit na binigyan lang kay Donald Williams. Nakakawala si Williams. Shot! He knocks it in.
Well, ang mga tinatawag natin, ice water in his veins.
Control talaga ng boards itong Formula Shell. Donald Williams, 3-pointer niya. Pero there's a foul.
Oh! Ibigyan ng tatlong tira si Donald Williams dahil sumabit daw kay Al Solis eh.
Labas kaya Solis, susubok ulit. Andiyan pa ba?
Ayan!
Andiyan pa ang replay. Itong si Al Solis from PLDT Country.
Lipavitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavitan gets you going.
Bukas ng ating fourth quarter at mabilis punta na natin si Sepi Cristobal. Sepi?
Thank you, Mon. Sabi ni Coach Perry nung kinutuwa siya sa performance sa kanyang mga players. Dahil sabi niya, they put pressure and rotated and hustled, which is why Mobiline is forcing their shots. And of course, sabi niya, to win this game, everybody has to step up, move the ball, and swing it. And they have to do it as a team. Sabi niya, don't quit because they're ahead and never to give Mobiline a chance to get back. Back to you guys.
Okay, yun po si Sepi Cristobal at sa magbubukas ng ating fourth quarter.
Oo, yung third quarter na yun, that's a big quarter for Mobiline, for Shell. Pero ayun, nakabawi ka agad si Silas Mills, dumikit na, 2 puntos na naman.
60-58. Ito mga kaibigan, ang fourth and final quarter. At kung mananalo Mobiline dito, sila na ang kampiyon
Nako.
ng ating Governor's Cup. At kung magwawagi naman ang Formula Shell, meron po tayong Game 7 sa araw ng Martes. Here's Benji Paras. Turnaround shot niya. Wala. Team McLary. Blue shirt sa mga atake. McLary, will he go all the way? Yes. Wala. Eric Reyes.
Oh!
Yes. Saving the day for Mobiline.
Well, that's what hard work will get you, no? Yung trail job na ginawa ni Eric Reyes, 2 mintis pero sinigurado niya yung kanya papasok.
Yes. Let's see. Ito naman ng Formula Shell sa kanilang half-court set. Jerry Esplana. And here's Donald Williams. Pumutok si Donald Williams ng third quarter. Nathan Williams. This time Mintes Benji Paras. Short pa rin sa kanyang stab. But there's Chris Jackson. Good positioning ni Chris Jackson.
Oh, pero pinipilit na ni Donald Williams yung kanyang mga tira.
Tabla tayo. 60 all. There's the double.
Eto, matagal na naman ang oras na kinakailangan ng Shell dito.
Shot clock winding down. Jerry Esplana. Oh! From the right elbow. Pumasok. 62-60. 2 minutes gone by dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Kaya malalaman kung mahuhulog yung mga Lobo after this quarter.
At saka dito makikita natin talaga kung sino matibay pagdating ng fourth quarter going into a close game. We'll see who has got the guts, ano?
Yan yung may guts.
Yung nagsasayaw na yun.
Pero kanina ito si Silas Mills with a nifty cut towards the hoop. At ito punta naman natin si Paolo Trillo. May report sa kampo naman to ng Mobiline. Paolo?
Okay, dito naman sa Mobiline phone pals, Coach Eric Altamirano sat his boys down. Sabi niya, guys, 1 quarter to go. We're gonna win this. Just keep focused. He said we started out the ball game with a lot of focus, a lot of intensity. Sabi niya, let's keep it up. Let's lighten up our defense and let's not give them second chance points and let's stop their fast breaks. That's all from over here. Back to the panel.
Okay, salamat sa iyo, Paolo. At itong si Silas Mills. Sinking his free throws. Tabla na naman tayo. 62 all. Ito si Silas Mills actually. All sa field goals ng third quarter.
Ayun, umangat na ang Shell doon. 52 against 40. So yung third quarter really was the turning point for Shell.
At pinapagin natin si Silas Mills naman ang marami turnovers.
Oh!
Magandang cut itong si Jackson from the back door.
Yung backdoor na yan, yung cut na yan ng ni Chris Jackson tsaka kanina si Benji Paras hindi maisara-sara ng Mobiline yan. Kanina pa yan. Ayun, napaul pa si Eric Reyes doon.
And Eric Reyes napatingin siya sa sahig bigla. And here's Chris Jackson. Siya naman po ang tumungo sa free throw line. 3-point play, makukumpleto ba? Hindi. At si Victor Pablo. And this time, nagko-control talaga ng boards itong Formula Shell. Donald Williams, 3-pointer niya. Pero, there's a foul.
Oh! Ibigyan ng tatlong tira si
Take
Donald
three yan.
Williams dahil sumabit daw kay Al Solis eh.
Yes, and Al Solis appealing his case.
Yes, and that's a big break, a very big break for Shell. Kung sakali.
At,
Ayun, yung paa ni Al,
yes.
ang tinamaan ni Donald Williams yung pagbagsak niya.
So si Donald Williams ang nasa free throw line ngayon, mga kaibigan. At una pumasok at take 3 ito, Coach Yeng, pagka kinuha po niya yung tira na yan beyond the 3-point arc.
Yes, tatlo ito. At alam natin, may problema Shell kanina sa foul shooting, pero Donald Williams is usually a good free throw shooter. Ano? Yun, nakadalawa na siya.
Ito si Chris Jackson, uupo, papalitan siya ni Jojo Lim.
Gaganda ng mga posters na nakikita natin kanina. Nanalo na yung isang poster natin ng 2,000 pesos. Kaya kung gusto nilang gumawa ng poster at ipakita rito, may premyo pala yan.
At saka magdasal sila may Game 7 para madala
Ayun,
nila yung
tama.
poster.
Para madala nila poster.
Meanwhile, at yun po yung itong kasintahan ni Williams, yung nakita nyo kanina.
Kanina. Pero 5 na lamang ng Shell. Biggest lead in a long time for them.
Pressure defense itong Formula Shell. Patrick Fran, binigay kay Silas Mills, and Silas Mills, quick turnaround nito si Silas Mills.
Hindi ibibigay sa kanya, may foul si Jojo.
Si Jojo Lim, at pangatlo yan ni Jojo Lim. Pangalawa yan ng Formula Shell. Meanwhile, si Patrick Fran upo, papasok ito si Glenn Capasio.
Ito na talaga yung veteran backcourt combination ng Mobiline, Capasio and Al Solis. Nakalusot!
McLary sailing in for 2.
Well, that's a good setup play by Mobiline from the inbound sa sideline.
Shell's lead down to 3, 67-64. With 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Ito na naman ang pick and roll nila, libre.
But here's John Best step back. Long 2 lamang, pumasok.
Well, that play has been keeping them in this game and actually gave them a 5-point lead. Kanina pa talaga effective yung pick and roll nila ngayon.
And itong si John Best, mga kaibigan, already with 25 points. 27 points rather. At si Tim McLary, wala pa ng bola doon. At foul na tawag dito kay Victor Pablo. At talagang ayaw isurrender ni Victor Pablo yung low post dito kay Tim McLary.
At dapat lang dahil 5 puntos ang lamang nila. Kung gusto nila extend ang larong ito, they will depend a lot on his defense on Tim McLary. Kaya na naman.
Ito sa shaded lane si Tim McLary. There's a reach and foul on could be Pablo, yes. Or is Jerry Esplana matatawagan to. Yung mga young fans ni McLary,
Mga taga-Shell na
ni John Best rather, at ni Williams. 5-point lead ng Shell, 69-64. At itong si Silas Mills will lose the ball at the baseline. Ito, timeout ang Mobiline dito. 5 puntos ang kailangan nilang bunuin o kabalik kami. We're back, mga kaibigan, mula dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Lamang ng 5 Shell, 69-64. Again, watch for the opening of the 13th Asian Games. Mamaya po ang opening at yahatid sa inyo ng VTV right after this ball game. Jerry Esplana and Jerry Esplana. Surprise jumper doon.
at nakita natin tawag na awa, so may kasamang buenas siguro yun, pero walang binibuenas yung mga nagtatrabahong masipag at nagtatrabaho ng husto, yan ang binibuenas.
At ito nga po, at 7-point lead na ng Formula Shell, 71-64. And suddenly, itong Mobiline foam pass, hindi nila malaman kung sila pupunta. They've been committing a lot of turnovers and McLaren to them, pinversa niya kanyang turnaround shot. Wala na ball reversal doon.
Nag-step up talaga depensa ng Shell. Napakaganda ng double team nila. Piniwersa si McLaren to give up a real bad shot in that situation.
And we're nearing the 7-minute mark. There's the pick and roll and Victor Pablo.
Sayang, one of the rare times na that pick and roll blows up in their faces. Ano, kanina yung pick and roll na yan, effective para sa kanila.
Marami-raming puntos ang nagmula dyan sa pick and roll na yan between Williams and Pablo. Under 7 minutes. Ito si Silas Mills, direct in traffic. Bigay lang niya kay Tim McClary. And si Tim McClary,
pinahihirapan din siya sa depensa
Yes.
ni Big Pablo. At talagang gusto pang ma-extend ng Shell itong series na ito kung ganito lalaroin nila.
at ito, pagkakataon muli ng Formula Shell na mapalakas
Oh!
sa kalabangan. Jerry Esplana. Oh! Jojo Lim, follow, pula pa rin! Sorry, miss, coming from Esplana.
Ang gandang lusot sa ano, pati spin ni Jerry, ano, vintage Jerry Esplana,
Yes.
pero hindi pumasok.
Everything except the basket para dito kay Jerry. Labas kaya Solis, susubok ulit. Andiyan pa ba?
Ayan!
Andiyan pa ang replay. Itong si Al Solis from PLDT Country.
Well, dapat ganyan ang gawin nila. No? They look better moving that ball around, no? Rather than just posting up or isolating.
Yes, and here's Donald Williams. There's the pick from Pablo. Will he go all the way? Williams with an acrobatic shot. Wala. Oh, nauna na si Al Solis. Sinasabay siya ni John Best. At then that time, quickly to si Al Solis. Medyo sabi, hep, hep, hep.
Oo, at,
Ayusin natin.
Yung tira naman ni Williams kanina, medyo medyo masama talaga. Trying to
Awkward.
draw the foul. Oo.
And here's Glenn Capasio. Let's see, the shot clock winding down. Eric Reyes had to put up that shot. Air ball. And Victor Pablo may clear possession na. Ang Formula Shell.
So, 4 na puntos lang yan. At itong Shell, tingnan natin kung magpipick and roll uli. Post up sila ngayon.
Kay John Best naman, laban kay McClary. Kanya naman, off balance, wala. Ito si John Best, nagre-reklamo. Walang pino daw ang referee. There's McClary, halos madulas. McClary will go all the way. He kicks it out to Silas Mills. 3-pointer niya, wala. The tap. Oh, at white ball, white ball.
Well, that's another good break here for Shell. And titignan natin itong laro. Masyadong minamadali.
But there's John Best. Oh! Nakalimutan nila si John Best. Nandun na sa ilalim. At mabilis naman naispatan siya ni Jerry Esplana.
Well, that's one time na talagang kailangan magmadali dahil libre na sa ilalim si John Best.
22nd timeout ang hiningi ng mobile and phone pass dito, Coach Yeng. And they're down by 4, 7-167 with 5 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Let's listen in dito kay Coach Eric.
Yes, tignan natin. Mukhang interesting ang sasabihin ni Coach Eric dito.
Guys, 5 minutes more. 5 minutes. Get your composure back. Get your composure back. Settle down. Get back to your focus, guys. Come on.
Just put it in your head. Come on. We have to
Okay, pick and roll, sir. Pick and roll, sir. Come on.
get mad.
Go. Get the emotions right. Let's go.
Alam mo, Coach Yeng, paus na ito si Coach Eric. At yung reminder lamang talaga niya, composure at focus. Ito, mapofocus naman tayo sa ating guard matchup.
Ito, nasa double figures na sa puntos. 19 points against 16 si Tim McClary. Rebounds naman pa rin si McClary. Pero sa assist, pareha sila. Pero yung 19 points karamihan dyan nakuha ni Donald Williams sa 3rd and 4th quarter. At yan ang mga importanteng puntos.
Again, mga kaibigan, ito si John Best ang nasa 4.5 meter line. Pasok ang una. They're up by 5. That's Mr. Oscar Reyes ng Formula Shell Gas Kings. At ika nga, pag ganito mga crucial matches, lahat ng head honchos ika nga nandito.
Oo, lahat ng mga big time sa mga top management nila nandiyan na.
Okay, under 5 minutes to go. Here's Silas Mills, and Silas Mills, quick basket para kay Mills. Yung mga tira nito sila Silas Mills actually, well, bumubuhay pa rin ang pag-asa ng Mobile Line dito. They're just down by 4 points.
Sandali lang yan, 4 points na yan, isang kisap mata. Kanina nakita natin yung 8 points. Sandali lang para sa Shell naman, para ma-overhaul nila.
That time, quick to react sa pick and roll itong Mobile Line. And
Oy!
Jerry Esplana. Woo! And Esplana is hurting Mobile Line's cause, mga kaibigan.
Tsepong-tsepo ang pagganda ng laro ni Jerry dito sa 4th quarter, taking over dun sa mga imports nila na nagpapahinga siguro ngayon, at least taking a breather, no, from the offense.
Here's Glenn Capasio, knocking a jumper. Pinapagid natin na coach Yang sa series na ito, sa bahagi ng Formula Shell. Pumutok na mga imports nila, sana pumutok na yung big men. Pero yung mga little guys, o ika nga itong backward ng Formula Shell ang inintay natin pumutok. And this could be it para sa Formula.
At ito rin yung napag-usapan natin kanina, local support. Napaka-importante for sure.
Meanwhile, third foul nito si Capasio. Timeout naman ang hiningi ng Formula Shell. There's Jerry Esplana, man of the hour para sa Formula Shell. We're back mga kaibigan mula dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Final 4 minutes ng ating fourth and final quarter. And Shell on top by 4. There's a fall away and a miss by John Best. Let's see. Itong Mobile Foam Pals. Huling 4 na minuto na ba ng kanilang kampanya?
Well, that's one way of looking at it. Sabihin mo, 4 na minuto na lang at champion na tayo, no?
Oh, there's a
open.
bullet pass to Eric Reyes. Kanina pa hiningi ni Eric Reyes yun.
Butas na butas ang Shell defense doon. Eric Reyes, ang tagal na nalibre.
But here's Jerry Esplana being hounded by Glenn Capasio. Doon, nandun ang trap sa may sideline. Let's see at timeout called here.
Yes, tumawag ng timeout si Jerry
Yan
Esplana.
si Mia Kalim, ang ating chowking face of the day. Mapakagandang bata, may pinagmanahan niya sigurado ako eh.
Oo.
Yan po ang anak ni Olen at ni Frankie Lim.
Ganun ba?
Siya po ang ating chowking face of the day. And you can see some of the prettiest faces at chowking. At maganda pa ang ngiti niya. At ito, ako. Ayan na po. At itong final minutes, panahon na rin talaga ng taimtim na pagdarasal. At makikita ninyo.
Ito, ayan ang mga karamihan yan, mga misis at mga kamag-anak ng mga Mobiline players.
Yes, and Mobiline eyeing their second crown this season. Naunan sa kanilang Centennial Cup. At mukhang ito na naman. Brace yourselves mga kaibigan for another heart-stopping finish. Sigurado to 75-73. Lamang-lamang ng dalawang Formula Shell with 3 minutes and 20 to go.
Ito, they're putting the fate of the Shell team in John Best's hands dito. Kanina pa yan talaga.
Ika nga, you would want the ball to be in your best man's hands. Ito yung pero si Benji Paras. Wala doon. Will he go all the way? Team McLaren! Tabla tayo, 75 all!
Buhay na naman ang mga fans ng Mobiline dito at alam nila at sa little less than 3 minutes, maaaring sila ng kampiyon.
Maaaring mahulog na mga lobo mula po dito sa kisame ng Cuneta Astrodome. Here's Jerry Esplana. Esplana, tira niya. Wala. Rebound kanino? Ando si Silas Mills. Silas Mills, oh! There's Solis. Iikot nila ngayon ito.
They're doing the right thing here. Hindi sila kailangan magmadali. Tabla at 2 minutes at 23 seconds there. Matagal na matagal pa yan!
Al Solis, could this be a backbreaker? Hindi. Eric Reyes keeping the ball alive para dito sa Mobiline Foam Pals.
Hoy!
Hoy! Wala doon. Here's Glenn Capasio. Itong Mobiline trying to be patient against Solis. Wala pa rin!
Lumabas ang bola!
Last 2 minutes na tayo. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette. Mga kaibigan, kaya naman, eto, wala nang kurapan dito.
Ito, wala munang hihinga dahil importante possession po ito para sa Shell.
And here's Benji Paras, barreling his way. 3 seconds to shoot. They swing it to Donald Williams. Williams, with this, Mills looking for the outlet pass. Hindi na niya itinuloy. Tabla pa rin tayo, 75 all.
Bibilangin mo na dito, kasamang mo, every possession will count from now on.
Oh, Mills losing the ball. He banged straight into Benji Paras.
Oo, at actually, he was lucky. He wasn't called for a charging foul.
Ito, pagkakataon naman ng Formula Shell dito. Oh, magandang pick na binigyan lang kay Donald Williams. Nakakawala si Williams. Jump! He knocks it in.
Well, ang mga tinatawag natin, ice water in his veins.
Yes. And the Williams giving Shell a 2-point lead, 77-75. And there's Donald Williams.
Oh, ang ganda ng bitaw ni Donald Williams.
And Formula Shell enjoying a 2-point lead. Mababalik po kami. That boy in the paint numbers, mga kaibigan. Tignan natin ito sa inside points. Talagang hindi nagkakalayo yung mga numero nila ngayon, Coach.
Hindi nagkakalayo, but slightly still it's for Mobiline, ano? Pero hindi na masyadong nararamdaman kung ganyan lang ang diferensya. Lamang ng dalawang shell dito.
Under a minute remaining, merong foul. That will be the 15th foul ng Formula Shell. Si Jerry Esplana matatawagan doon. Jerry Esplana, pang-apat na yan ni Esplana. 15 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating ball game.
Well, ang titignan natin yung adjustment sa depensa kung i-double team yung mga ina-isolate dahil nalilibre yung mga outside shooters na kamukha ni Alsolis pagka may double team.
Ito si Silas Mills.
Ayan na.
Glenn Capasio ngayon. Inside to Tim McClary. And Tim McClary wala. Oh, he gets his own miss.
Ako, ayaw ko magsalita ng overtime dito.
At this time, ito namang Formula Shell ang tatawag ng timeout. Tabla tayo mga kaibigan, panay 7 yan, 77-77. At sino nga si swerte dito? Huwag po kayong alis, tumutok lamang sa aming pagbalik. Tabak mga kaibigan mula sa Cuneta Astrodome, 41 seconds na lamang nalalabi. Tabla tayo, 77 all. Both teams in penalty. And here's John Best. The possession nasa Formula Shell.
Well, as expected, talagang dadaan muna ang bola sa kamay ni John Best. Balik sila sa kanilang pick and roll.
Let's see kung anong play ang nailatag ni Coach Perry Ronquillo dito. 8 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin. Donald Williams, there's the foul. Yes, on Eric Reyes. Sinaraduhan nila yung daanan para dito kay Donald Williams.
At penalty situation ito. So they'll give Donald Williams 2 foul shots.
Test of nerves na ngayon dito. Makita nyo ang bench ng Mobiline Foam Pals. Let's see, ito si Donald Williams.
Well, tama rin ginawa ni Donald Williams. Ano, naramdaman niya yung contact. And then kahit na, well, it's penalty situation. But kahit na ganon, he tried to go for the basket. Ano, malay mo nga, baka pumasok yun, baka maging 3-point play pa.
Pasok ang una para kay Donald Williams. Let's see. Second coming up. Wala! Wala! Unahan! Oh! At ito si McClary ang last touch doon. Bola ng Formula Shell.
Well, lahat ng malapit sa bola talagang dumive. Pero ang tempo, umama kay McClary bago lumabas.
Yes, meron tayong timeout. Tinawag ng Mobiline. Mga kaibigan, yan po ang ating score. Dikit pa rin yan. Magbabalik po kami. Yan po si Mr. Ray Gamboa kasama ang mga fans ng Formula Shell. At Formula Shell already whooping it up with 19.4 seconds remaining.
Well, Mon, wala ka na siguro pwedeng hanapin pa dito sa championship game na ito. No? And one of the closest, if not the closest in this series. And alam mo, marami nagsasabi yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina na init ng ulo niyan si Silas Mills, ano? Dahil na-technical siya kaninang may timeout eh.
Yes, at patuloy siya nagre-reklamo din sa mga referees.
And it was, well, I feel it was unnecessary because eto mangyayari ngayon, titira pa ng technical free throws itong si Donald Williams dahil sa ginawa ni Silas Mills kanina.
At kung babalikan natin ng position nasa Formula Shell pa.
Yes.
There's the technical free throw pumasok. So 79-77, possession dito ng Formula Shell.
And there's only 19.4 seconds left. So kahit hindi sila tumira, but they have to take care of the ball. At ang Mobiline naman will try to foul, ano? And go for a steal and then foul.
That time, ito, si Silas Mills ayaw i-foul itong si Donald Williams.
Oo, he has to foul here. Ayun.
There's the foul by Al Solis, pero ang daming segundong kinain doon. Well, actually,
Well, si Al na ang pumaul doon dahil inihintay nila si Silas Mills na pumaul, nauubos ang oras eh.
Look at Coach Eric Altamirano, kaya hindi siya hindi niya maintindihan kung bakit hindi mukhang maliwanag naman ang instructions doon kung wala tayong steal.
Well, again, Silas Mills probably out of focus in these last few seconds of this ball game.
Oh! With this! Again, ito mga kaibigan, may pasok ito ni Donald Williams.
Eto, matagal pa yan. Pwede pang iset up ang isang 3-point shot dito.
For Mobiline. Yes, and
Eto, tignan natin ang free throw. Shell 15 out of 23. Mobiline is 11 out of 17.
second free throw, pumasok. Expect a timeout by Mobiline. Yes. Okay, may timeout ang Mobiline. Tulad ng inaasahan o kabalik mo kami?
Para sa Mobiline dito, no, a 2-point shot will not be enough. So, kailangan ma-set up nila isang malinis na 3-point shot dito para makatabla. Para lang makatabla.
We give it to Team McLary. McLary. He takes the 3-pointer. Wala! Ang bola mapupunta sa Formula Shell. Meron tayong Game 7 dito.
Whoa! Game 7!
80-77 is the final tally. Formula Shell winning this one over Mobiline, extending the series to a full count. Game 7 on Tuesday.
At hindi muna babagsak ang mga Lobo rito sa itaas ng Cuneta Astrodome. But sigurado yan, kailangan bumagsak yan sa Martes.
Sigurado na tayo doon. Pero this game, mga kaibigan, kinuha ng Formula Shell 80-77. Yan po ang huling talaan. Magbabalik po kami ni Coach Yeng. Mga kaibigan, at isa lamang kahulugan yan, meron tayong Game 7 sa ating Governors Cup Championships. At yan po ay gaganapin sa araw ng Martes.
Yes, at ubod sa ganda naman itong larong ito. Talagang pinakita sa atin ng Shell, no, na kaya nilang bumalik at makikita pa ulit natin yan sa Martes. Crucial quarter was the third quarter at Coach Perry Ronquillo making the proper adjustments at the right time. Yung mga turnovers lang ng Mobiline, talagang binigyan nila ng chance makabalik ang Shell.
Ang VAT 69 best player of the ballgame, mga kaibigan, napili namin itong si John Best.
Wala nang iba kundi si John Best at 28 points, 11 rebounds at leadership for the team in general. No?
Yes, at para naman sa ating Hard Flex Building Boards, King of the Boards, walang iba kundi si Tower of Power, Benji Paras. Ito pong si Benji para sa total of 11 rebounds, 10 defensive, isang offensive. So I'm sure magsasaya itong Formula Shell pagkat nabigyan sila ng pagkakataon muli.
At hindi pa tapos ang ating series. Martes po, kailangan magkita-kita tayo. One of the best games actually played today. I'm sure sa Martes mas gaganda pa yan. Ha?
Talagang hindi tayo pinapahiya nitong Mobiline at ng Formula Shell sa quality ng kanilang inilalaro. So yan po ang ating schedule sa darating pong Martes. Yan pa rin po Formula. Sigurado may mga Lobo nang mahuhulog dyan sa araw.
Sigurado na yan. At 6:30 po tayo dyan sa araw na yan ng Martes.
Okay mga kaibigan, so Coach Yeng,
yes.
Salamat sa iyo.
At excited na ako sa Asian Games. Ha?
Okay, yan nga po. At this point, we'd like to turn you over now to our friends. Itong si Noli, Yala, and Ria Tanwat po. Sila po ay nandyan sa Vintage Sports Studio para ihanda naman po ang pagbubukas na ating 13th Asian Games coverage.